mozzarella cheese, and we need pepperoni, and English muffin. The first step is to open your bread. Cut your English muffins in half. Look at that good pizza sauce.
Look at that good pizza sauce. Dad, come out, pizza sauce. I can jump.
And a little bit of cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Wow. I will eat one. You eat one. Cheese.
And then some pepperoni.
I done. Now cheese. Cheese, yummy in my tummy. And cheese, yummy in my tummy. And cheese, yummy.
Let's get started eating.
Okay, I
Eating this one.
Your dog is so pretty. Your dog is so pretty. Oh my gosh! I tell me the piece. Oh God. Video. Oh my gosh. You see this? Good.
It's so good, guys.
Okay.
Also, guys, you better smash that like button. Smash.
Smash that button. Smash that
And
button.
smash that subscribe button. Smash. Excuse me.
Try that then. Huh? Why? I like it. It's funny. Smash the button. Smash the button.
I'm gonna eat 4.
I'm
gonna eat all of them.
Yeah, me too. I get the pizza, guys. So, number. And you try and smash the button, and check Aubree video. And that. It is my video, right there, and Aubree video, and us video, and you video. You have video, you don't. The us video. And then, so I watch it on YouTube. I watch it on your picture.
I'm eating it like a taco, guys.
Aubree, this is come now. Aubree, you get. No, mommy. Now I want more. Now I think the purple one. Hi. That's my true food. Get your food.
This is mine. Thank you for watching, everyone. Subscribe and hit that notification button. And give us a huge thumbs up and follow us on Facebook.